Even if you got no hair left, a hair dryer will always come in handy. So I'm going to demonstrate on this table how to safely eliminate wax buildup. The reason you want to do it with heat is because you don't want to scratch a hardwood floor or furniture. That stuff you can easily scratch, so heat is the safest and quickest way to remove wax. Alright, let's get started by heating up all of the wax with a hairdryer. You want to go ahead and use a setting that is not too hot because you don't want the heat to damage the wood surface. But if you use low heat and you're a little patient, that wax will loosen up in no time. And then you can simply go with a paper towel. You can use a cloth as well, obviously, but a paper towel is great because you can just throw it out afterwards. But just heat the wax up, wipe it away, and keep repeating that process until you've removed all of those big heavy chunks. Now the final touches for perfection: use a little gentle dish soap with a little bit of water to remove any sort of film that is left over, and you are done.